Good morning friends, welcome to my yet another video in my YouTube channel. So before starting this video, I want all of you to please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start. Our topic today is 3G. Most of you think or relate 3G into a mobile network technology, but today I'm going to tell you 3G not in mobile network technology but in quality respect field. So firstly I want to tell you what is 3G. 3G is basically a Kaizen principle. Kaizen means small changes in an activity which helps to build up the continuous improvement for any types of work, whether it is an industrial work or business activity, etc. Basically, Kaizen is a lean tool. So this is a basic overview of 3G. So before moving further ahead, firstly I want to show you the contents. These are introduction to 3G, 3G in brief, and advantages of 3G. So let's discuss each contents one by one in detail. As I already told you, 3G works on Kaizen principle. Kaizen is a combination of two Japanese words. Kai means change and Zen means goods. Means it is an important lean tool and is commonly used as a basis for methodology that is focused on continuous improvement for any type of work. Means small changes in an activity which helps to build up the continuous improvement for any type of work, which whether it is an industrial work or or business activity, etc. Okay. It is most commonly used in warehouses and manufacturing facilities where the goals of eliminating waste and improve efficiency are very important. Means it is mostly used in warehouses means where the goods are stored and manufacturing facilities. In these two criteria, Kaizen principle plays a very important role for eliminating waste so as to improve the efficiency in future point of view. So this is the basic overview of 3G or the basic overview of Kaizen. Okay. Now, now I want to tell you what are the different 3Gs. 3Gs are Gemba, Genbatsu, and Genjutsu. Gemba means real place, Genbatsu means real product, and Genjutsu means real data. So let's discuss each 3G one by one in detail. Firstly, 1G means Gemba, where the actual action occurs. Means it is a situation where the manager or high level position of employee comes out of their office and spends some quality time in the shop floor where the real action or actual action occurs to check or verify the whether all the operating procedure works accordingly or not. Okay. 2G. 2G means Genbatsu, means management teams should be taking a close look at the product at each steps of the manufacturing process. This can give you better understanding of what is occurring at each step. Means to check whether all the machines are used in the manufacturing process or not, to check the physical condition or the operation of different machines, and to check or to verify the process parameter and to modify the SOPs, means standard operating procedure. So these all the activities happen in the 2G. Okay. 3G means Genjutsu, means real data. In this the managers need to work hard to determine the matter which will give you the information needed to make changes required to avoid problems and eliminate waste wherever possible. In this 3G means in this G, we have to identify the root cause of any problem and to eliminate it as early as possible so that it do not cause any problem in the future. So this is a basic overview or the basic function of different Gs. I hope all of you got understood what are the different function of 3G. Okay, now I want to tell you the advantages of 3G. It is a simple systematic approach which is easy to understand. Means it is a step-by-step approach. Means firstly we have to identify the real place, then we go to real product, and then to use the real data. Means it is a systematic approach which can be is and it is also easy to understand. Helps in identify the root cause. By implementing all the 3G accordingly, we can easily identify the root cause of any problem and eliminate it as early as possible. It gives effectiveness result in very small short time. Means result from 3G can be generated in a very small interval of time or very small interval of time. So this is all. I hope all of you got understood the basic concept or basic function of different 3G. And if you have still have any doubts or query, please write in the comment section below. And if you like my video, please like it in my YouTube channel. So thank you.